Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Sense and Skin Part 4. Bingo. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Air-filled part of ear between the eardrum and cochlea contains the three ossicles, mares, incus, and stapes, and the eustachian tube which connects to the throat. A. Roads. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. Eustachian tube. And the answer is B. Middle ear. That part of the ear containing the organ of hearing and balance, the cochlea, semicircular canal, etc. A. Roads. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. Eustachian tube. And the answer is C. Inner ear. Cells in retina of eye stimulated by low light intensity, that is dim light, gives monochromatic vision, can see in black and white or shade of gray. A. Roads. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. Eustachian tube. And the answer is A. Roads. Tube connecting the middle ear to the throat and equalizes air pressure on both sides of the eardrum. A. Roads. B. Middle ear. C. Inner ear. D. Eustachian tube. And the answer is D. Eustachian tube. A pigment that gives the skin its color and protects it from ultraviolet light, produced by melanocyte in the epidermis. A. Short-sightedness. B. Ear-lash. C. Pigments. D. Melanin. And the answer is D. Melanin. Cannot see objects far away from the eye. Eyeball too long, corrected by using concave lenses. A. Short-sightedness. B. Eyelashes. C. Pigments. D. Melanin. And the answer is A. Short-sightedness. Colored substance or compound used by living organisms to absorb or block sunlight. A. Short-sightedness. B. Ear-lashes. C. Pigments. D. Melanin. And the answer is C. Pigments. Hair sticking out from the edges of the eyelids, which trap dust and dart. A. Short-sightedness. B. Eyelash. C. Pigments. D. Melanin. And the answer is B. Eyelash. Innermost or lowest layer of epidermis. Cells here are actively dividing by mitosis and contain melanin, a pigment responsible for tanned or dark skin. A. Malpighian layer. B. Outer ear. C. Pupil. D. Eye. And the answer is A. Malpighian layer. Organ of vision or sight in animals. A. Malpighian layer. B. Outer ear. C. Pupil. D. Eye. And the answer is D. Eye. Composed of the pinna, visible ear, and the ear canal, external auditory meatus, and ends with the eardrum, tympanum or tympanic membrane. A. Malpighian layer. B. Outer ear. C. Pupil. D. Ear. And the answer is B. Outer ear. Hole in center of the eyelash through which light enters the eye. A. Malpighian layer. B. Outer ear. C. Pupil. D. Eye. And the answer is C. Pupil. Area of most acute vision on retina of eye, directly behind center of lens, has a high density of cones. A. Fovea or yellow spot. B. Lens. C. Eyelash. D. Oval window. And the answer is A. Fovea. Transparent biconvex structure used to focus light on retina of eye, similar to glass found in a magnifying glass. A. Fovea. B. Lens. C. Eyelash. D. Oval window. And the answer is B. Lens. Window found in the ear passes sound vibrations to cochlea. A. Fovea. B. Lens. C. Eyelash. D. Oval window. And the answer is D. Oval window. Colored part of the eye in front of the lens. controls the amount of light entering the eye. A. Fovea. B. Lens. C. Eyelash. D. Oval window. And the answer is C. Eyelash. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Sense and Skin Part 4. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.